How to set English language in Mac. To set English as the primary language on Mac, simply follow these steps. Firstly, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, simply tap on the System Settings option available there. Inside System Settings, make sure to tap on the General from the left slide bar. Now inside the General, tap on the Language and Region option available there. If you cannot find it, then you can also tap on the search address bar at the top left corner of your screen and write down language and region. Now, once inside language and region, under the preferred language section, click the add language button or simply plus icon available there. Now, once you tap on the plus icon, you will get to see list of languages option available there. Select English from the list. You can choose from English US, UK, Australia, etc. And once selected, simply click add. After adding English, click on it and select Use as Primary. Then your Mac may prompt to restart to apply the changes. After restarting, your Mac should display in English. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.